we'll guide you through how to use cinema burn transition on Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create cinematic and visually appealing transitions that make their videos stand out. Many beginners using Wondershare Filmora look for simple guidance to apply effects like burn transitions, helping them achieve a more dramatic, professional look without needing advanced editing skills or experience. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can start the editing process without any interruptions. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the interface fully loads on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm the settings. Next, click Import, then select 2 videos that will be used and click Open to add them into the media library. Drag and drop the imported videos into the timeline section so you can begin arranging them. Then, select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid automatic changes. Adjust the duration of both clips so they are the same length for a balanced transition. Next, adjust the size of both videos in the preview section to ensure they fit properly within the frame. After that, click the transition menu to explore available effects. Click the search column, then type burn and press enter to filter the results. Select the transition so the result will display only the burn transition effect. Drag and drop one of the burn effects into the timeline between the 2 clips to apply it. Then, go to the right panel and change the duration, for example to 5 seconds, to control how long the effect lasts. Click Apply to All if you apply it to more than one transition. Since this only uses one transition, you do not need to click it. Set the timeline to the beginning of the video, then click the full screen icon to view the preview clearly. Preview the result to see how the cinema burn transition works, and the transition is now complete.